Now let's talk about water disinfection technologies. We have some technologies like UV light or ozone, but please pay attention. Whenever you are using UV light or ozone, you are disinfecting water at the source. It's going to treat your water, it's going to be germ-free, but after entering the barn, this water is traveling inside the water line. And then birds are pecking at the nipple drinkers, right? And they are transferring germs from litter to the water line. So if the water inside the water line is contaminated inside the barn, where the temperature is high and it's a good place for bacterial growth, then there is no chemical residuals in your water to fight against those germs. So that's why usually we need to use chemicals like chlorine, chlorine dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, peracetic acid. These chemicals can leave residuals in the water line. And even if the water is contaminated, inside the barn, then there is chemical residuals and they can treat water again. So that's why these chemicals are preferable over UV light or ozone in terms of leaving disinfection potential in the water. There are some new methods like cold plasma or nanobubbles. They are modern methods to treat water, which is good, but we need to really understand their residuals in the water to see if they have disinfection residuals in the water down the road. It needs to be clarified, of course. So here we are going to show you, an automated water treatment system. So from the source water all the way to poultry house. So looking at the source water, let's say your water is coming from city water or well or dugout or whatever. So the first step is to storage in a storage tank. Then use filter to get rid of any sediments in water. And then we need to monitor the pH to see if pH is appropriate to inject our chemicals. So we do have auto-dosing system to inject disinfectant and like chlorine, chlorine dioxide or hydrogen peroxide. And then after injecting the disinfectant, we need to send water to a mixing tank. So here, water and that disinfectant is going to be mixed thoroughly, and then it can go to backwashable glass media filter to filter out any residuals, and then it can go to header tank to be stored and go to the poultry house. This is the clean water that can be transferred, into the barn.